Hi, I'm Fern Halper, the VP of Research and Senior Director of Advanced Analytics for TDWI. We're standing in the now empty room at the TDWI Leadership Summit in Chicago.
And I'm Claudia Imhoff, the founder of the Boulder BI Brain Trust and a proud member of the TDWI faculty.
We're the co-chairs of the Anaheim Leadership Summit, which will be held August 6th and 7th in Anaheim.
Our title for the summit is Using Advanced Analytics to Strengthen Competitive Advantage. Now, before you think this conference is not for you, let me explain our objectives. First, we want you to understand more about these often confusing and seemingly complex analytics and terms, so they are not so foreign. Additionally, while a core group of companies have deployed advanced analytics, many are just starting and want to learn from those who have successfully deployed and used these capabilities. Therefore, our second objective is to give you enough information so you can return home and be comfortable leading your organization to a higher level of analytic prowess.
We're going to hear from a number of organizations of all shapes and sizes about the business problems they solved with their analytics deployments. They'll share their best practices, approaches, methodologies, and how they organize their teams to execute the company's analytics vision. The case studies come from big-name companies like HP and Google, as well as nonprofit organizations like a school district and a small business like a construction company. TDWI faculty will also be on hand to explain the different technologies and terminologies. For example, the difference between AI and machine learning, making these more approachable and practical. We hope you can join us for this exciting and educational event. We're confident that all attendees, regardless of experience or knowledge of analytics, will walk away with best practices and innovative ideas for implementing or improving their analytic initiatives and environments.
We hope to see you there.